Did you know you can charge a 12-volt battery from a solar panel without any IC, without overheating, and without overcharging? In this video, I'll show you a very simple solar battery charging circuit using only a MOSFET, a transistor, and a Zener diode. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a solar battery charge controller circuit using very few components. This circuit is perfect for 12-volt batteries, easy to build, and works extremely well. Let's quickly see the components used in this project. 4 P75NF75 MOSFETs, 2 100K ohm 1/4 watt resistors, 1 12-volt Zener diode, 1 BC547 NPN transistor. That's it. No IC, no relay, no complicated parts. Circuit connections, explained simply. First, take a heatsink and mount all 4 MOSFETs on it. This helps with better heat dissipation, especially while charging larger batteries. Now, connect all MOSFET gate pins together. Connect all MOSFET drain pins together. Connect all MOSFET source pins together. Next, take a 100K resistor and connect it between the MOSFET drain and gate. Take the BC547 transistor, connect the collector to the MOSFET gate. Connect another 100K resistor between emitter and base. Connect the 12-volt Zener diode between the BC547 base and MOSFET source. Finally, solar panel positive goes to the MOSFET drain. Solar panel negative goes to the BC547 emitter. And that's it. Our solar charging circuit is complete. Now let's understand how this circuit works. When sunlight falls on the solar panel, it produces around 21.5 volts. The MOSFET allows current to flow and starts charging the battery. The Zener diode continuously monitors the battery voltage. When the battery reaches around 12 to 13 volts, the Zener diode activates the BC547 transistor. This action reduces the gate voltage of the MOSFET, limiting the current flow. Because of this, the battery stops overcharging automatically. So this circuit works as a self-regulating solar charge controller. First, we test the circuit using a multimeter. You can see the solar panel voltage is 21.5 volts, but the output is limited to around 13 volts. Perfect for a 12-volt battery. Battery charging test. Now let's test with a real battery. Here I'm using a fully discharged 12-volt battery, around 10 volts. When we connect it, the solar voltage under load drops to around 20 volts, and the battery starts charging. You can see the battery voltage slowly increasing. There is no heating, no stress on components, and everything works smoothly. After some time, the battery reaches 12 volts, and charging automatically slows down. This circuit never overcharges the battery, produces very little heat, works without any IC, can charge small or large 12-volt batteries. You can also change resistor values or use a variable resistor to set your desired charging voltage. If you like this project, please like the video, subscribe to the channel for more solar and electronics projects, and comment below if you want the circuit diagram or PCB design. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and keep building. See you in the next DIY electronics video.